So we're going to talk about different color relationships. Let's say that you have one palette of colors with a gray scale on the bottom. These are some ugly colors. They're completely random, garish, and have no relationship to one another. About the only thing that could be said for them is that they tend to be completely unsaturated colors. The task at hand then is to try to unite them. First, we'll try to unite the colors by shifting hues in the matrix. First, we will unite the hues by shifting all of the hues in one particular direction. Here's orange. There are bluish, reddish, and greenish oranges in the mix, but note that the grays at the bottom appear not to have shifted at all. This is because they are part of the 10-step grayscale. This is what you get when you apply red to unite the colors. And magenta, purple, various blues, green, yellow-green, and then yellow. Let's see what we get by shifting colors and adding value and chroma to the hue. This is much like the effect that you might have if you viewed the original colors through tinted glass or under lighting of an opposing color. The example of a red stop sign viewed under green light. Here everything is going towards orange. In this one, everything is shifted to a very light orange. This shift is towards green, and then light green, and now bluish green. Try a light blue, purple, blue-purple. By mixing one color in with them, they begin to relate to one another. They relate better than they did in the first version because, as we learned with desaturated colors, with less saturation, the colors work with one another. Now a light red. Now a magenta shifting to red. And notice what happens when we shift to a very intense bright red. Now let's see what we get by shifting chroma. This is by taking color out. Many artists and designers refer to this as desaturation. It is taking away the vibrancy of a color. By doing this, we are becoming darker and darker. They are turning towards the grayscale. Here the colors are working together because they share a low chroma. The thing that made them so difficult in the beginning is now being extracted as they become desaturated. They now work better together. Here they are as saturated colors that they started as. These are the opposite that we were just looking at. Now we're going to do some tinting of the colors. And as you know from the acrylic examples, by adding white to the colors, we tint them. This unites them, taking their vibrancy down, much like we did when we desaturated them. Here they are almost totally washed out. Again, as you learn by adding black to colors, we will shade them. This will also unite the colors by adding black. Then, of course, you can add both black and white via gray, and here are some of the results that you will get.